Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to buy Robux in Roblox, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to buy Robux for your Roblox account, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to open your Roblox app. After you open your Roblox, next, I want you to tap on the Robux icon at the top. And after tapping it, you will now be directed to the Robux shop, which is where you can buy a Robux. As you can see, here are the choices for the Robux amount you can buy, and beside it is the respective prices you need to pay to buy them. So just select the Robux amount you want. I will buy the cheapest, which is the 40 Robux, just for demonstration. Then tap here to choose the payment method you want. And right here, you just need to select the payment method you want. If you want to use your credit card to pay, just select this, and if you want to use your e-wallet such as PayPal or Gcash, then just tap them. In my case, I will buy the Robux using my Gcash. And then just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction using the payment method you chose. Reminder guys, the payment process will be different depending on the payment method you chose. For example, if you chose a credit card, then your payment process won't be the same as mine, but don't worry, there will be instructions there for the payment process that you can follow. And finally, for the last step, just tap the buy button to completely buy your Robux. And after tapping buy, you will need to enter the password of your Google account. I can't show you because my screen record turned black in this part since it's not allowed to be shown. And after that, it's done. You have now purchased your Robux. But if the Robux has not been credited here yet, just close your Roblox, then open it again, and then your Robux will now be credited. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.